Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Kingo. Today we're reviewing the Oregon CS1500, the best electric chainsaw for yard work and home use. If you want powerful cutting without gas or noise, this one's worth a look. Let's dive into the features, pros, cons, and final thoughts. Let's get started. Product features: powerful and reliable performance. At the heart of the Oregon CS1500 is a 15-amp electric motor that delivers enough power for most home and DIY cutting tasks. The 18-inch guide bar makes it easy to cut through thick logs, branches, or tree limbs, all without the mess and maintenance of a gas-powered engine. PowerSharp Self-Sharpening System. This is one of the standout features. The built-in PowerSharp system allows you to sharpen the chain in just 3 to 5 seconds. No tools, no replacement chains, no downtime. Just pull the lever and you're ready to go again. It's perfect for users who don't want to deal with manual sharpening. Tool-free chain tensioning. Adjusting the chain tension is simple and requires no tools at all. Just turn the knob to tighten or loosen. That's it. This helps maintain optimal chain tension for smooth and safe cutting and also reduces overall maintenance time. Automatic lubrication system. The CS1500 comes with an automatic oiler that keeps the bar and chain lubricated during operation. This reduces friction, extends the life of your chain, and ensures smoother, more efficient cutting. Plus, the transparent oil window lets you monitor levels easily. Ergonomic and safe design. The lightweight body and ergonomic handle make the chainsaw easy to control, even during longer cutting sessions. It also features a chain brake for extra safety, which stops the chain instantly in case of kickback. A great feature for beginners and casual users. Pros: 15-amp motor delivers strong, steady cutting power. Built-in PowerSharp sharpens the chain in seconds. Tool-free chain tensioning for fast adjustments. Automatic chain lubrication for reduced wear. Comfortable grip and lightweight for easy handling. Chain brake adds a layer of safety. Cons: corded design limits mobility compared to battery models. Requires access to a power outlet. Not designed for professional or heavy-duty logging. Final thoughts. The Oregon CS1500 electric chainsaw is an outstanding choice for homeowners and DIYers who want a powerful, low-maintenance tool. From its self-sharpening chain to its tool-free adjustments and quiet operation, it brings both convenience and cutting performance to your outdoor projects. Check the price in the description, and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Kingo for more smart product reviews. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.